Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, we need to wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, before you proceed, please navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there that is being attached. All you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it here at the Windows address bar. Okay, let me just click on sign in to sign in my account. So just navigate to the Windows search bar and type paste the link that you have copied and click on enter. The moment you do it, you would be redirected to this mega website where you can see a folder being attached where you need to download. Okay, so it's now requesting folder data. We just have to wait until this process will be finished before we can proceed. So the moment this is being ready, you can see there a two file folder which contains the HP LaserJet 1010. However, you need to select the application that is in accordance to your operating system. So if you have 32-bit OS, then go with this first. And if you have 64-bit OS, then go with the second. And since I have 64-bit PC, then I'm going to select the second. And the moment you selected it, please proceed at the upper side of that. You can see there two options which are save to mega and download. So we need to click on download and this would appear. Please choose on download as a zip file. The moment you do it, it will eventually start the downloading process. You just have to wait until this process will be finished before we can proceed to the installation of this printer driver. Now, once it is being downloaded, please proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Please select on it and you would be able to see this. So click this folder icon to proceed to the location where it is being placed or saved to. So it is being placed at the download where here you need to click this cut icon to move that here at the desktop. So please click close this window as well as this. And at the desktop screen, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Now, once you have pasted this file, we need to unzip this. So how we can do so, please do a right click and you can click on extract all to extract it, or you can simply choose WinRAR and go with extract to. Once you do that, wait until it will be successfully extracted here in this window. And here we go, we have just successfully extracted it. Once we are done with this extraction, we need to proceed to our next step. Our next step would be you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window so that we can proceed. And once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings, please navigate at the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. Please locate for Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to scroll down and proceed with devices. Click on it. And under the devices section, you need to scroll down once again, and afterwards, you would be able to see related settings. So under the related settings, you need to scroll down and go with more devices and printers. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up a new window, which is the devices and printers. And here you can see all of the devices, and that includes the printers that you have installed in your Windows. So from here, you need to proceed at the left side of that. You can see there add a printer. Click on it to start on adding a device or printer. So from here, you need to proceed at the bottom of that. You can see there the printer that I want isn't listed. So click on it and this window would show up. So you need to find a printer by other options, and by that, please select this fifth one, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next to proceed, and it will ask you to use an existing port. Click this down arrow and you would be able to see all of the available ports that you can use from. So here's the catch. You need to choose among of these three, no other than that. So it could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my port or existing port. Once you're good, click on next. And this window would show up where you can install the printer driver. Please click on Have Disk, click on Browse, and this locate file window would appear. And since our extracted file is being placed at the desktop, then by that, please proceed at the left side of it where you can see desktop, click on it. And from here, please scroll down and locate for this extracted file. Double tap to it, double tap once again, and it will show you two driver. And if you have 32-bit, then proceed with the second. If you have 64-bit, then proceed with the, first, then proceed with the second if you have 64-bit. Sorry for that, my bad. The moment you do it, you will be able to see the driver here. Just double tap to it and it will be placed here. Once it is being placed, click on OK to continue and it will be placed here as printers. So click on next and you can rename that into the name that you would like. In my case, I'll be renaming it HP LaserJet space 1010. Click on next to start it on installing the printer. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation process of this printer driver. So we just have to wait for a while. It might take some time, but please be patient since it will redirect us to the successfully installed of printer. So now it's here. So it asks you to enable printer sharing if you would like to turn this on, and if you don't like it, turn this one on, which is do not share this printer. In my case, I'm allowing the printer sharing. Please click on next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll leave that unchecked. So go with finished. And here you go, we have just successfully installed the printer driver, which is the HP LaserJet 1010. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.